In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Airbnb. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a coupon to your account and how to apply it during checkout so the discount shows up before you pay. Start by opening Airbnb on your phone or computer and logging into your account. Being signed in is essential because coupons are tied to your profile. Once you're in, open your profile or the main menu. On mobile, this is usually your profile photo or a menu icon. On desktop, look to the top right corner. Go to Account Settings, then open the Payments section. This is where Airbnb stores your saved payment methods, credits, and coupons. Find and select Coupons. Here, you'll see any existing coupons linked to your account. To add a new one, click Add Coupon. Type the coupon code exactly as you received it, without extra spaces before or after. If you're copying and pasting, it's a good idea to double-check that no stray characters slipped in. When you're ready, click Redeem. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation that the coupon is now saved to your account. If you get an error, review the code for typos, and note that many coupons have expiration dates, regional or currency limitations, minimum stay requirements, or property exclusions. Saving it now makes checkout faster later. When you're ready to book, go through the normal booking flow and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, look for the field labeled Coupon or Promo Code. If you previously saved a code, it may appear as an available option. Otherwise, enter the same coupon code here. Click Apply. Give it a moment to process, and then check the price breakdown on the right side or near the total. You should see the discount line item clearly reflected before you complete payment. This is your confirmation that the coupon is active for this reservation. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're using the same account where the coupon was saved. If you don't see the discount, review the listing dates, location, and total price to ensure the booking meets the coupon's terms. Some promotions are single-use, and many cannot be combined, so the highest value eligible code usually wins. If you change your mind, you can remove or switch the code before you finalize payment, as long as the booking still qualifies. That's it. Add the coupon in your account, apply it at checkout, confirm the discount in the price breakdown, and complete your booking with confidence. Enjoy your stay and your savings.